Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the metal tooth carefully to identify the failure mode, crack, loose crown, or worn surface, because the repair method depends on that. Once done, clear debris with 3x saline swabs and dry the area. Next, select the correct dental repair kit and etchant. The etch improves adhesion, so don't skip it. Make sure you're wearing gloves and goggles and use a lip retractor for access. Begin work immediately after prep to prevent contamination and ensure a strong bond. Now you focus on bonding and shaping. Etch the metal per kit instructions for 10-20 seconds, rinse, and dry to activate the surface. Then apply the adhesive primer evenly. This creates a chemical bridge between metal and composite. Seat the crown or place composite, pressing firmly to eliminate gaps and immediately remove excess material. Shape the repair with fine burrs to restore contours and contact points. Finally, follow the recommended two-step cure: spot cure to stabilize, then full cure to finish, for maximum strength and longevity. To finish, polish the repaired metal tooth until smooth to avoid plaque traps and soft tissue irritation. A polished surface also resists wear. Then verify contacts and occlusion using articulating paper. Adjust with fine burrs until bite feels natural. Once done, advise a 24-48 hour soft diet and avoid sticky foods while the bond fully stabilizes. If you detect mobility, sensitivity, or recurrent looseness, rebond immediately or refer to a specialist. This single troubleshooting step prevents more complex failures and protects oral health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.